Okay, so we're going to do the massage routine now for the manicure. We're going to take 4 pumps of the massage lotion and warm it up in your hands. And then we're going to dispense this onto your client all the way up to the elbow and down to your fingertips. Okay, we're going to start with alternating effleurage. Your fingertips lead and they go up to the elbow and slide back down. You're going to do 3 with each, so that's 6 in total. Fingertips are leading, your fingertips are together. And this will be the last one. And then we have a circle to the elbow, so leading with the outside hand. We're going to circle around the elbow. You're doing a circular movement. And really good for moisturising your client's elbows. Okay, step 3 is a petrissage movement. You're going to use your thumbs, the pads of your thumbs, just to move a circular way from your wrist to the elbow. So a circular movement like this is a petrissage. The pads of your thumbs, 3 in total. And glide back down when you get to the top. And turn the client over and you're going to do the inner forearm. You can apply a little bit more pressure on here because it's more fleshier. And glide back down. 3 in total. When you get to the top, you're going to glide back down. Okay, then you're going to apply friction to the wrist area. So it's like a transverse movement with your thumbs. There's lots of bones in the wrist and you're manoeuvring that synovial fluid. Turn over and do the back of the hand as well. Okay, so we've got large circular thumb stroking to the thenar and the hypothenar. This is the thenar and the hypothenar. Okay, the thenar muscle here and the hypothenar. And this feels really nice. You can really work your way in there. You can spend a bit of time here, especially if the client is a typist or they use their hand for writing. You can stretch that out. That feels really nice. Okay, turn the client over and you're going to work in between each of the knuckles. You're going to find a little groove. And you're working through the metacarpals and you're using your thumb to push, push, push and glide down. Push, push, push. You're working in the groove and not over the bone and you're using the pads of your thumbs in between each of those metacarpals. Push, push, push and glide down. Then you're going to take your fingers and your thumb and you're going to massage each one and squeeze it at the top and pull down. Circular movement. Squeeze and pull down. It's like you're draining all of the stress from your client's hands. Circular movement and come down. And the last one. Then you're going to pop the client's hand or elbow on the table, supporting them. Hold your hand around their wrist and you're going to rotate 3 times in one direction and 3 times in the other. If you've got a clicky client like we have here, you can just go forwards and backwards. Okay, that would work as well, just to give that stretch on the wrist area. And then lastly, we're going to complete it as we always do with our massage, with that effleurage movement. So 3 with each, 6 in total. And you can really press down nicely now. And on the last one, come up and then pull off together. And it'll give a little stretch on your client's shoulder. And that's the massage.